What are the executables for EDNA?
There are no executables for EDNA.
Okay.
EDNA was written in Perl, and it's just a Perl script.
Where are the Perl scripts for EDNA?
Right. Those were on a flash drive, which maybe it should have been distributed to everyone. A lot of this is going to be things like installing BLAST and a few other dependencies that you need for EDNA. I believe you can go ahead and do that while you're downloading the Perl scripts. So I think we're going to go ahead and start in on it. So I know everyone here in Maryland has a folder, looks something like this. Should say EDNA if you enter into that. The previous folder has two other folders. One's called Datasets, the other is eProbes. If you can just move those into the EDNA folder, that would make things a little smoother. So go ahead and do that first. If you can open up a terminal, you can do that by doing Control-Alt-T or by clicking the Ubuntu Start button up here and searching for terminal. And there's your terminal. All right, so this part is going to be installing BLAST, so you can run BLAST locally on your laptop. To do that, it's pretty simple. The command is sudo, sudo, apt get install ncbi -blast plus. If you hit enter, it should ask for a password. This is your Ubuntu password. And I believe it's for everyone's machine, it should just be password. For people in remote sites, your password should be whatever you set your password to. Please do not spell your password to other people in the call.
John? The guys at Enercan should already have this working because I worked through it with your IT guys yesterday.
Okay.
So you don't need to put BLAST on there.
Okay. So we don't have the EDNA. Okay, yeah, good.
Oh. My God.
Tony doesn't know his password.
I was using password.
All right. Are we ready for next step?
Do you want to continue Y or N? Just type Y and then enter. Okay, the next is installing BioPerl. It's a suite of modules for the Perl programming languages for bioinformatics. It's really useful. So the same thing, sudo apt get install, then BioPerl.
Again, if Christine preloaded this for the folks in Canada, you already have this.
Okay, that should be enough time. The next thing that we'll need is a statistics package for Perl. Same thing as before, sudo apt-get install, and then this is lib statistics dash basic dash Perl. The next one is the same thing as before, sudo apt-get install lib statistics and then distribution. Oh, I apologize, it is distributions, plural, with an S. For those people that aren't familiar with command line, a useful little tip is if you tab bring up a list of the commands that use the first few letters. So you type AP, and it'll kind of fill out the rest. The next one is not available through apt-get, so we'll have to actually go through and do that in the modules folder. And do not have the modules folder. Okay, so in the modules folder, you should see a hard.gz file called statistics-t-test. You right-click on that, go down to Extract Here, and that should make a folder of the same name. In the command line, you'll need to navigate to that folder. For myself, it was EDNA statistics-t-test-1.1.0. For you, it may be EDNA-modules or USDA training-modules. But to navigate there, you would type CD and then the path to that folder. So from this point, once you have navigated to the folder, you need to type in sudo cp star -usr -lib slash, I apologize, I need more coffee today, statistics / and then enter. Oh, I apologize. Let me go back. So /usr /lib /perl5 /statistics. Anyone has an error at this point, let me know. If you do, it's probably because you don't have the statistics folder made. And let me know if that's the case. Is that the case? Okay, good. So let's go back then. Type in CD /usr /lib /perl5. Once you're there, type in mkdir, then statistics. For me, it gives me an error because statistics already exists. Oh, yes, do sudo mkdir statistics. To get back to the home folder, you can just type in CD. Then navigate back to the statistics-t-test-1.1.0 folder. And then do sudo cp star -usr -lib -perl5 -statistics.